Howdy folks, and welcome back to the Dieselbird channel. Today we are testing out the 43 tooth sprocket on our TT250. Here we have this long stretch of highway that runs around my house. It's a bit of an incline, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our TT over there and we're going to run the bike downhill. This is with the stock gearing to see what our top speed is. So let's go ahead and do it. Alrighty guys, we're back here now, and as you guys could see in the video on the right hand side, the GPS indicated that we went a max speed of 61 miles per hour, and on the speedo here on the bike it indicated 65 miles an hour. So a little bit of variation, but they all do that. And that's not the fastest I was able to get this bike, because I have developed an ignition problem which I will be addressing later on. But the top speed indicated that I was able to reach was 73 miles per hour, so I'm going to guess that's about 67, maybe 68 on the GPS. So that gives you a good indication of what the stock gearing can do. I also weigh about 165 pounds, and I've just got that tail bag, minimal gear on the bike. So next thing we're going to do is get the bike up on jack stands, because unfortunately that stand we bought is a little bit too tall. We're going to pull the rear wheel off, pull the sprocket off, and pull the chain off. Alright guys, we got everything put all back together. We've got our speedometer app all set up. We're going to go take this thing for a test ride and see what we can push for top speed now. Well guys, today's an extremely windy day, so it's hard to get a full top speed run in on this thing, but according to our app here, we reached a max speed of 67 on the GPS and about 69 indicated on the bike. So if anything, changing the gear ratio out made the speedometer a little bit more accurate. It also made a lot more usable torque on the bike for someone of my size and all the power mods that I've done to it. just go. I'll try and catch up to you. You're the only one that's at risk. I'm street legal.
What do you feel? Feel good?
Yeah. If you want, I can go first and scout ahead. Or would it be better if you go first so that way you can take off if someone comes?
Yeah, if I go first and somebody's cops coming this way, by the time they turn around, I'll already be on our street.
Yeah.
See what I'm saying?
So you just go ahead and go first.
I'm really like almost out of gas, dude. Like no shit. I'm leaking like a son of a bitch.
Let's hurry up and get back there.
Yeah.
Well guys, it's safe to say from that video that this new gearing setup is working out amazingly. Off-road, the only thing I've noticed is I need to maintain a little bit higher speed in order to keep it going from bogging the engine too much. But other than that, the 43.2 Sprocket works out perfectly for someone of my size. Again, I'm 165 pounds, 6'5". Not too sure how well the 43 might work out for some of you bigger fellas out there. Might want to go with the 45 tooth just to be on the safe side. But we will be doing another video in the future as well. Once the wind is a little calmer, we can take this bike for a top speed run, and we'll be doing some more off-roading as well with some of our buddies here.
What's up?
So that way we can see how our bike's doing and get everybody else's bikes running good too.
Yep.
Cameron's got a gas leak.
Yep, bad gas leak too.
Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Dieselbird signing off.